Completed in 1965, this West Hollywood residential tower was designed by architect Jack A. Charney. Widely recognized for its mid-century interiors and modernist facade, it has been home to countless celebrities. A classic Venetian terrazzo installation was executed during a remodel, combining 2 units into a single residence within the 31-story tower. The home's panoramic city-to-ocean views informed an elegantly minimal design approach, matched by the precision craftsmanship of the terrazzo artisans. The terrazzo scope extended across the entire residence, starting below the finished surface. To meet strict structural and acoustic requirements, the team engineered and installed a lightweight, soundproof floating floor-level system. Terrazzo floors with brass divider strips run throughout the home. They are paired with a continuous poured-in-place 6-inch base that terminates with a consistently flawless and crisp 1/4-inch reveal at adjoining custom wood finishes. Material selection and color calibration reinforce the tower's architectural clarity and scale, aligning with its clean, modern lines. On the exterior balcony, a polyacrylate terrazzo system maintains material continuity between interior and exterior spaces. Judges praised the project for its sophistication and attention to detail. This award recognizes the exceptional achievement of over-the-top terrazzo and tile of El Monte, California.